Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to fix VPN is connected but internet is not working. Before we begin, I recommend NordVPN for fast, secure and reliable VPN service to help avoid connection issues. You can find a link to try NordVPN at a great price in the description below. To begin, open the settings on your mobile device. Once inside the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options. Look for the one labeled Apps, or something similar like App Management or App Manager, depending on your specific device, and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Use the search bar to find your VPN app, then tap to open its settings. Within the VPN app settings, you'll notice options such as Mobile Data. Open that option, and if mobile data, Wi-Fi or background data usage are disabled, make sure to enable them. After doing this, go back to the previous screen, where you will find an option labeled Storage. Tap on it to enter the storage usage section. Here, you will see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start by clearing the cache, and once that is done, proceed to clear the data as well. This process will reset your VPN app to its original fresh state. After completing this, head back to the Settings menu and enable the option to View System Apps. Scroll down until you find an app called Network Diagnosis and tap on it. Just like with your VPN app, clear the data for this app as well. Once this step is finished, open the Google Play Store on your device and search for your VPN application once again. Check if there is an update available. If so, make sure to update the app to its latest version. Keeping your app updated is important as updates often fix bugs and enhance overall performance. Finally, restart your device by turning it off completely and then turning it back on. Restarting is crucial because it refreshes the system and ensures that all the new settings and changes are applied properly. After your device restarts, reconnect to your VPN, and you should now have internet access without any issues. Following these steps carefully should resolve the problem. Before wrapping up, I want to recommend NordVPN for anyone seeking a smooth and dependable VPN experience. NordVPN is well known for its fast speeds, secure connections, and very few connectivity problems. If you're interested, you can find a link to try NordVPN at a great price in the description below. It's a reliable choice to help you avoid similar issues in the future.